This trick I learned from a cleaning lady. She puts baking soda in the lime peels. To start today's tip, let's use 3 limes and cut them all in half. The ideal for this tip is to use only the shells, so as soon as you cut all in half, with the help of a juicer, we will completely remove the liquid from all the limes. You can use to make a juice or whatever you prefer. Once we fully separate the shells, we will continue our tip. Now in a pot, I will add a liter of water. We will also use the shells, being the main item for this recipe. Doing this way, we can completely remove the acidity contained in the shells, and thus making the use of this tip effective. Once it is at this point, we can add baking soda, being one of the main items for this tip, and the ideal amount for use is 2 tablespoons. We can already notice the effect of baking soda with lime is what will bring the cleaning with this tip. Once you are at this point, we will remove the pan from the fire, and then with the help of a sieve we will completely remove the liquid. Next, we will also use 150 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar acts directly in contact with lime and baking soda, which makes this tip perfect for use in your home. Finally, we will also use 200 milliliters of detergent. This item is essential in the mixture for its great performance in removing stains and fats. We will mix one last time, and with this, we already have our tip today ready for use. To facilitate the application, I will put the liquid completely in a bottle. This amount we prepare is more than enough for use for at least 2 weeks. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Farida Yasmin, Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure you will thank me for the use of this mixture. It serves all types of surfaces. I am demonstrating the use of this mixture directly in my kitchen. I can use even for cleaning the stove and also the oven. With the weekly use of this mixture, I can directly avoid all stains. Here even rust marks come off easily. Tell me later if you got the expected result for this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.